person that love. 32 count, 2 walks. It's an intermediate line dance. There is one restart in this dance during walk 4. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your left foot, step your left to the side. Step your right back. Recover. Make a hinge turn to your left. Quarter, quarter. Cross, right over left. Side, behind. Sweep, behind, side. Diagonal, recover, side, and diagonal. So now with the count. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Section 2. Step your left back, make a half turn to your right. Continue with a full turn or walk, walk. Step back, half turn. I will walk first, walk left, walk right, followed by forward shuffle. Do 2 cross back, back. Cross right over left, cross back, back. Cross left over right, cross back, back. Let me show you with the full turn. Step back, half turn, full turn here, forward shuffle, 2 cross back, back, cross back, back, cross back, back. Section 2 with a count. 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 6, and 7, 8, and 1. With a full turn, count. 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Section 3. Step back on your right. Make a 3/8 turn to the left. Stepping your left, 3/8 turn. Step your right forward. Make a half turn to your left by stepping your left back. Step your right back. Make a half turn. Step your right forward. Mambo step with your left. Rock, recover back. Make another half turn to the left, stepping your right back. Half turn and forward your right. So with the count. 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Last section. Make a quarter diamond. Cross, left over right. Cross, side. Make a 1/8 to your left. Stepping 1/8 back. Step your right back. Make another 1/8 to the left. Stepping your left. 1/8. Step right forward. And run with left, right. Left, right. Make a quarter turn to your right with your left with a swing. Quarter swing and right swing. So that's the end of section 4. Your weight is on the right. And you start the dance with your left. 1. So let me go through the last section with the count. 2, and 3, 4, and 5. 6, and 7, 8. So in this dance, there is a restart during wall 4. Let me show you wall 4 with the restart. Wall 4 will face 6 o'clock. So here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 6, and 7, 8, and 1. This is the end of section 1 of wall 4. Instead of rock back, recover. Touch your left next to right. And you start the dance from here. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7.